Electric current can also be defined as the surface integral of the current density, that is I equals surface integral J dot dA. What is meant by the current density? Hello dear friends, welcome back to all of you in the fresh new lecture of current electricity. Myself Ratnesh Shukla, and today in this lecture we will discuss about the current density and the relationship of electric current to current density. Dear friends, just assume that there is a conductor with the cross section area delta A. If the electric charge which one is passing through the conductor is changing in delta t interval of time as delta q, ठीक है, क्रॉस सेक्शन से जो चार्ज पास कर रहे हैं डेल्टा टी इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में डेल्टा क्यू चेंज हो जाते हैं, देन change in the charge upon change in time delta q upon delta t is defined as the average electric current. You know very well, right? Delta q upon delta t equals delta I. Instant current is defined as the limit delta t tends to 0 delta q upon delta t, right? That is the differentiation of the electric charge with respect of time is defined as the instant electric current. Now let's talk about the current density. Generally if we talk about the density means the mass density, that is the mass of per unit volume, and similarly current density means electric current passing through the per unit area. What is the definition? Note down. Normal electric current per unit area is defined as the current density. ओके, नॉर्मल इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जो पास करेगी किसी भी सरफेस से 90 डिग्री पर जो करंट पास कर रही होगी, राइट, दैट करंट विच वन इज पासिंग नॉर्मली टू द यूनिट एरिया, यूनिट क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया इज गिवन एज द करंट डेंसिटी एंड इट्स सिंबल इज J. Okay, so note down, if a current delta I flows through a area delta A normally, then average current density is given by J bar equals delta I upon delta A, and instant current density or current density is given as J equals limit delta A tends to 0 delta I upon delta A, or in mathematical way you can write down as dDA of I. That is the differentiation of the electric current with respect of the normal area. Okay, although electric current is a scalar quantity but current density is a vector quantity, so you need to assign a arrow, that is the vector J equals dDA of I J cap. Dear friends, note down, first point is that current density is a vector quantity. Okay, current density is a vector quantity. Okay, and second point is that the unit of current density equal to unit of electric current upon unit of area, that is ampere per meter square. So its unit is unit equal to ampere per meter square. And third point, dimensional formula very simple, A upon L2, that is the M0 L minus 2 A1. So its dimensional formula dF equal to M0 L minus 2 A1. Okay, dear friends, now let's discuss about the some other situation. See in this figure, electric current is passing in this direction, okay, horizontally, and the surface is somewhat inclined at angle theta with the electric current. So if the surface area is making an angle theta with the electric current, then we need to find out the normal area component, that is the delta A cos theta. How? Very simple, cos theta equals normal area element upon delta A. So normal area equals delta A cos theta. So in place of the delta A we need to write down as delta A cos theta. So note down, if area element is making an angle theta with electric current, then current density delta J equals delta I upon delta A cos theta. Okay, or from here it is obvious, delta I equals delta J into delta A cos theta. See here, delta J delta A cos theta, J current density is a vector quantity, A, area is a vector quantity if direction is mentioned. So definitely this one is the dot multiplication of the current density to the area vector. So we can also write down as electric current delta I equals delta J dot delta A. Now from here note down J equals di upon dA. So di, okay, di equals J dot dA. Our total electric current can be given as the integral di, I equals integral di equals integral G dot dA. That is the total amount of the electric current is given by the surface integral of the current density. That's why electric current is also known as the surface integral of the current density, and it is written as the integral J dot dA. I equals integral J dot dA. Okay, so dear friends, note down the following topics and if you have any doubt you can ask. I think आपको करंट डेंसिटी का आज का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ होगा. कोई दिक्कत हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू.